Hey guys, so welcome to the adventure. Today we're going to go over Trucker's Kitchen and a hack for you, and it is how to take your cooking to the next level with a bunch of free ingredients. What are they? Condiments. So if you don't know who we are Simple Livin. We are husband and wife team truck drivers, and we are known for cooking in the cab and taking Trucker's Kitchen to the next level, making a full pantry and really gourmet meals that you would be surprised to find in the truck. If you haven't seen some of those videos, make sure you check out that playlist and find out some of what our favorite things are, like this skillet. But how do you take cooking to the next level with using some condiments? Well, tonight we're going to have some steak burgers, and why do I need to keep a jar of relish in the truck? Because it's going to hog up the fridge. Or chopped onions, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise. Or maybe I want a barbecue burger and I'm just going to do some onions and some barbecue sauce. Or maybe I want to do my Brussels sprouts and I want to give them some extra flavor. You can take one of the honey packets and you could either do some hot sauce with some honey. You could do some of the Wendy's chili mix. And here is some Red Devil. It's cayenne pepper sauce. Mix that with some honey and put that as a glaze over Brussels sprouts. You could do it over salmon. One of my favorites is you can use these lemon packets and some honey and put it over your salmon. Or the other day we used the sweet and sour sauce and we made it as a glaze for the salmon. But if you want to take maybe your bacon to the next level, you could do maple syrup and some black pepper. That's really excellent. But those are just a few ideas that you could use these condiments. Now, I do suggest don't hoard them, guys. Like, there's no sense in even having this many in the truck. The idea is that take your meal to the next level, but we knew we were having steak burgers, so we could stop and pick them up. Usually you go to the truck stop at least once a day. So grab them when you're in there and get what you need for that day or the next day. And it allows you to not have so much space in the cabinet hogged up with things like this. Be mindful, don't be greedy. But yes, I say they're free, but when you buy $600 worth of fuel, you kind of are paying for these complimentary things. All right, guys? So hopefully that inspires you to take your cooking to the next level and enjoy some good, healthy meals while on the road. Eat well and enjoy the adventures. Bye.